I'm here with our guest, Miss Carol Lutzinger, who is actually a NASA Solar System Ambassador and a BISB legend. She has been teaching and creating your classes for the last 20 plus years. Carol is also a founder of STARS, the South Texas Astronomical Society, which is our partner in science and astronomy content. So Carol, I would like for you to tell us what this wonderful thing that you have around your neck is and why it was invented.
Oh gosh, Maki, this is my collector's item of pins that belong to different NASA missions that as a solar system ambassador, I was privileged to be at either a launch or a recovery mission or be specially trained to share the ideas and information with students and teachers, and it's just been a lot of fun.
And this is a really special thing, guys. Not many teachers or educators get to be a part of this program, and Carol has been serving the community here in Brownsville for the last 20 plus years.
As an ambassador.
Yep. And tell me, Carol, when we talk about NASA and when we talk about their missions and what these badges represent, we are going to tie it in together with the NISE kit that we're preparing to do for you guys next week. It has to do with exploration of Mars and Mars rovers. And I would like to ask you, Carol, what a rover is and why is it important for us to have those?
Okay, well, you know, a rover is something that goes around and sees what there is to see. And we use robotic rovers to roam on the surface of Mars to give us information that we can't send people to find out answers to. So we've had several very successful Mars missions of robots roaming on Mars. The first one was a very small rover, about the size of a microwave oven, and that's named Sojourner.
Sojourner.
And Sojourner was expected to last just a few weeks, and she did a good job, and she lasted longer than she was supposed to. So then the next two were Spirit and Opportunity. And Spirit and Opportunity were launched a few weeks apart from each other. One landed on one side of Mars, the other one landed on the opposite side, and they were designed to work for a few weeks, and they lasted for many years. Roaming on the surface, being told what to do by controllers here on Earth, and they would do their job. So then those were so successful that of course everybody wanted to know more. Let's find out more. So somebody said, well, let's send Curiosity. So Curiosity was the biggest rover that we've sent to Mars. It was about the size of a small SUV, and it was really big, and it had a spectacular landing device that lowered it down to the surface of Mars by a crane. And everything had to work exactly to the split second, and it did because of math. And so Curiosity has been roaming around on the surface of Mars in a particular area since 2012 and sent back amazing information, which of course means the scientists want to know more. So of course, what's next? Well, what's next is the Mars 2020 mission with a rover as big as the small SUV again, and its name is Perseverance. And Perseverance has a little partner along for the ride, a little helicopter called Integrity. And the Integrity part is an experiment to find out if we can fly a little helicopter on Mars to go a little bit further and collect more information. So between Perseverance and Integrity, we should find out a lot. The plan is to launch Perseverance on July 30th.
Tell me, Carol, so you're saying there is this new rover, and all these other rovers had names like Curiosity and Perseverance. Why doesn't the new rover have a name, and how do they get their names?
Oh, I'm so glad you asked. Boys and girls, you can have an opportunity to name the 2026 mission. NASA always has a contest, and it's open only to kids up to age 18. And you think of a name that you want and why you want that name, and you send it into NASA. And then they ask a panel of judges to say, okay, now read the essay. Read the essay. And whoever wrote the best essay and has the best name, that's the one that people vote on then, and they're the winner. And that Perseverance was named by a boy, a middle school student who lives, I believe he lives in Virginia. I'm not sure now, but I bet you could look it up online and find out exactly where he lived.
There's another thing about names. There is a website, Send Your Names to Mars 2020. And tell me, Carol, when you go to send your name to Mars 2020, what can you do? What do you do?
Oh my goodness! Well, you go to the internet and you go to the website, and a page opens up and it says enter your name, put your name and your email here and your zip code, and then they plug you in and they send you a certificate. You download it into your computer and you can print it out. So at the present time for the Mars 2020 mission, there's over 11 million names that are being sent on 3 different microchips on the mission to Mars. So if you want to send your name on this mission to 2026, you can go online now and get your name in there, print out your certificate, and when you get that printed out, you can stand there and send us a picture of it.
So kids, send us a picture of you with a printout of your Send Your Name to Mars certificate. And when you do, we will send you one of these. These are our special Junior Ranger Night Explorer badges. You will get one of these in the mail together with a booklet of what it takes to become a Junior Ranger Explorer. Once you get these booklets, you will be able to share the excitement with your friends, tell them where to go, tell them to print out a certificate, and they will get the exact same thing, and you'll be able to participate in many awesome space science and astronomy related activities here with us, Children's Museum and Stars. Well guys, that's it for today. Bye!
Bye!